Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of body language. We've put together the ultimate guide to help you become a master at reading and interpreting the subtle cues and signals that people give off every day. If you're ready to level up your communication game, then make sure to stay tuned. 1. The basics of body language. Alright, let's start with the basics. Body language is a form of non-verbal communication that we use to convey our thoughts, feelings, and intentions to others. It includes facial expressions, gestures, posture, eye movements, and even the tone of our voice. Now, let's break it down further, shall we? 1. Facial expressions. Our face is a powerful tool that can express a range of emotions, from happiness to sadness, anger to fear, and much more. We'll discuss the most common facial expressions and what they mean. 2. Gestures. Gestures are hand and arm movements that help us emphasize or clarify our verbal communication. We'll explore various gestures and how they can be used to enhance our communication. 3. Posture. The way we stand, sit, and move can reveal a lot about our confidence, attitude, and emotional state. We'll learn about the different types of posture and how to interpret them. 4. Eye movements. Our eyes can give away a lot about what we're thinking and feeling. We'll dive into different eye movements and what they can indicate. 5. Voice tone. The tone, pitch, and volume of our voice can convey a lot about our emotions and intentions. We'll learn how to pay attention to these vocal cues to better understand others. 2. Reading facial expressions. Now that we have a basic understanding of body language, let's dive into facial expressions. 1. Happiness. A genuine smile is characterized by the Duchenne markers, which include raised cheeks, crinkled eyes, and an upward curve of the mouth. Watch out for fake smiles, where the mouth may curve upwards, but the eyes remain unchanged. 2. Sadness. A sad expression is characterized by a downward curve of the mouth, drooping eyes, and sometimes even tears. The eyebrows may also be slightly raised in the middle. 3. Anger. An angry expression includes furrowed brows, narrowed eyes, flared nostrils, and a clenched jaw. 4. Fear. Fear is characterized by wide eyes, raised eyebrows, and an open mouth. The body may also appear tense or jittery. 5. Disgust. Disgust is often signaled by a wrinkled nose, raised upper lip, and narrowed eyes. 6. Surprise. A surprised expression involves raised eyebrows, wide eyes, and an open mouth. Remember, context is crucial when interpreting facial expressions. Some people might have a resting expression that resembles a particular emotion, so it's essential to consider other body language cues and the situation at hand. 3. Interpreting gestures. Let's move on to gestures. There are countless gestures, but we'll cover some of the most common ones to help you better understand nonverbal communication. 1. Open palms. When someone shows their open palms, it's a sign of honesty, trustworthiness, and openness. This gesture is often used when trying to persuade or convince someone. 2. Crossed arms. Crossed arms can indicate defensiveness, discomfort, or resistance to what is being said or happening. It can also be a self-soothing gesture for some individuals. 3. Touching the face. Touching the face, especially the nose or mouth, can signal that someone is feeling anxious, uncomfortable, or dishonest. However, this gesture can also be a simple habit, so context is essential. 4. The steeple. The steeple gesture, where fingertips are touching with palms apart, can signify confidence, self-assurance, and contemplation. 5. Mirroring. When people unconsciously mimic each other's gestures, it can indicate rapport, agreement, and a desire for connection. 6. Pointing. Pointing can be perceived as aggressive or accusatory, especially when it's accompanied by a raised voice or a stern facial expression. It's usually best to avoid this gesture in most situations. 4. Understanding posture. Posture plays a significant role in body language. Let's discuss some common postures and what they can reveal about a person's feelings and attitudes. 1. Open posture. Open posture, with relaxed shoulders and uncrossed legs, suggests that a person is approachable, comfortable, and receptive. 2. Closed posture, with crossed arms or legs, can signal defensiveness, anxiety, or a lack of interest. 3. Leaning in. Leaning towards someone can indicate interest, engagement, and attentiveness. 4. Leaning away. Leaning away or creating more distance can signify disinterest, discomfort, or desire to disengage. 5. Dominant posture. A dominant posture, such as standing tall with hands on hips, can signal confidence, assertiveness, and authority. 6. Submissive posture. A submissive posture, like slouching or looking down, can indicate insecurity, submission, or a lack of confidence. 5. Eye movements and gaze. The eyes are often called the windows to the soul. So let's explore how eye movements and gaze can offer insights into someone's thoughts and feelings. 1. Eye contact. Maintaining eye contact signifies confidence, attentiveness, and trustworthiness. However, too much eye contact can be perceived as intimidating or aggressive. 2. Avoiding eye contact. Avoiding eye contact can signal nervousness, disinterest, or deception. Cultural differences should be considered, as some cultures perceive direct eye contact as disrespectful. 3. Pupil dilation. Pupil dilation can indicate interest, arousal, or surprise. 4. Blinking. Increased blinking can be a sign of stress, anxiety, or deception, while decreased blinking may suggest deep concentration or focus. 5. Looking up or down. Looking up can be a sign of contemplation or recalling information, while looking down may indicate submission, insecurity, or shame. 6. Voice tone. Finally, let's discuss the importance of voice tone in body language. 1. Tone. A warm, friendly tone can convey openness, approachability, and empathy, while a cold or harsh tone can signal anger, frustration, or disapproval. 2. Pitch. A high-pitched voice may indicate stress, anxiety, or excitement, while a low-pitched voice can suggest calmness, confidence, or authority. 3. Volume. Speaking loudly can convey confidence, assertiveness, or a desire for attention, while speaking softly can signal insecurity, shyness, or a desire for privacy. 4. Rate of speech. Speaking quickly can suggest excitement, nervousness, or impatience, while speaking slowly can imply thoughtfulness, calmness, or a lack of confidence. 5. Pauses. Strategic pauses can be used to create emphasis, build anticipation, or allow for reflection, while excessive or awkward pauses may indicate uncertainty or a lack of preparation. And there you have it, the ultimate body language guide. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to understand and interpret the subtle cues and signals that people give off every day, helping you to become a more effective communicator. Remember that context is essential, and body language can vary across cultures and individuals. The key is to pay attention, practice, and learn from experience. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy communicating.